Hi, welcome to ISA 2019. My name is Randy Paar. I'm the marketing manager here for the ISA Arizona products, including this new ISA Arizona 1300 series model, which we're showing for the first time in the US. It's a system that uses UV LED curing, so there's no warm-up time required. It features a new white ink that is very white compared to other inks that might have a bit of yellowish cast. And it also jets reliably well, so there's pretty much no difference compared to our CMYK colors in nozzle functionality. We also have a new varnish in this system, which has an optically clear result. Arizona Xpert software, which makes the setup of complex files quick and easy. In fact, it actually learns from what you do and saves it as a recipe so you can actually apply that later to any file. So it really makes complex file setup something simple that less skilled employees can actually accomplish. ISA Touchstone is our new texture printing software that we released last year. This machine is completely compatible with that software and produces excellent results. Another thing that we're introducing with the Arizona 1300 series is a new print mode called High Key Mode. This is an awesome productivity enhancement. It is our fastest mode. This machine here will do 548 square feet an hour of sellable quality work. So if you've got an image that's kind of a high-key image, skin tones, portraits, wedding dresses, this is actually a really good mode and really quick, equal to about 17 boards per hour. Go to our website, call us up, send us an email. We'd love to tell you a lot more about it.